So when it comes to digital advertising, what's really important to understand is that you have to invest in a digital advertising strategy or a digital marketing strategy if you expect to be seen on Google. So let's say, for example, you're a local tree company. Okay, and what it's going to do is recommend common search terms or common search words on Google, and it's going to recommend what a lot of people are searching. So I want local tree companies near me, and you're going to see top ranking companies up here. Okay, you have B&R Tree Service, and you're going to have Lead New Tree Care, Skyhook Tree. Okay, those top three. It's important, it's critical to understand that these companies are investing in a digital advertising strategy. Okay, they're investing money. So I won't click on these because what happens is, as an example, this company here, B&R Tree Service, is paying, let's say they're paying, I don't know, $5 a click. That means every time somebody clicks, $5 gets taken out of their account. Now, the reason they do that is that they want to show up higher up in the rankings. It's literally like bidding, like an auction. So the more you invest in digital advertising, these digital advertising campaigns, the more you're going to show up. There's a number of reasons why you're going to show up. We'll talk about SEO later, search engine optimization factors later, because there's things you have to do on your website to make sure you stay high up in the rankings. But it's really important that most people understand this, and they don't, and that's okay, is that digital marketing is really, really important. And that's why the average is 5 to 10% of your annual sales is typically put into marketing. And it's for this reason, for this very reason. There's a couple of tree companies I've done work for, and one in particular is not showing up right here. And that's because we're not digitally investing. We're not adding our hat into the ring, so to speak, and investing in digital ads that pop up. So when somebody does plug in local tree companies near me, tree companies near Worcester, Massachusetts, etc., it's not showing up because we're not digital advertising. That's really, really important to understand. So if you want to show up at the top of the Google rankings, AI rankings, Bing rankings, and other things, there are a number of factors that you can consider, but digital advertising, digital marketing is going to be really, really important.